In this step, you will add parent and guardian as well as their contact information. Please specify who the primary parent is, as well as which parent the student lives with. You may select Refer to Household for address and copy address from household to import the information from the previous step. If you are a military family, please let us know if you are in active duty. Provide the branch and the duty station. Click on Save New Guardian Record to move to the last step. The final step of the registration is to print out a confirmation. The confirmation will only be available if you have successfully completed steps 1 through 4 of Reg Online. Congratulations! You have successfully completed registration at Inspire Charter Schools. A member of the enrollment team will be in contact with you soon. Bye-bye!